Think your Windows 11 is secure? Don't guess, check it in 5 seconds with this hidden PowerShell command. Step number 1. Press the Windows plus R key together. So in this slide, type this simple command PWSH. Then click on the OK tab. And this will open the PowerShell slide. After this, type this simple command get-, then type in hotfix. Then simply press the enter key. And boom, the command was successful. And this command instantly shows all the Windows security updates and KB patches installed on your PC along with their installation dates and ID. And here is the hotfix ID. But wait, before I sign out, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.